Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm on location today and I want to talk about repairing on the job. Don't be afraid to go out there if you want to do a small engine repair and do repairs out in the street. You know, you can do the basic inspection, order parts. I already did the inspection, ordered the starter for this. I'm not going to film the starter because I'm doing it while it's in there. It's a pain in the butt to get this down and lower it. So it's going to be real boring me filming that. I just want to say, don't be afraid to get out of the shop. Go down, you know, get your go bag ready. Go down and do the repair out on the field. You know, it helps people out. If you stay tuned to the end, I'll have a go bag description of what I put in mine. You go out, get what you need to get done. The reason I'm replacing this starter is because on this one, the gear busted off. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on, and then I'm going to show you it start up, and then we'll go from there. On this, don't be afraid to get down here. The reason I'm not showing it is because this is all I have to work with. Here's the starter, and here's where, you know, you're reaching in, and so you got both hands in here. But, you know, it's real easy to do. It's just not something, you know, I can film. But like I said, if you go out and help the customer, they'll always, you know, be thankful. That's how you know, get your business going. So like I said, just don't be afraid to get out there and get dirty. Get on the ground like I am and change the starter on a motorhome. Okay guys, and that's all it takes to get a starter going for one of these Onan generators. Okay guys, there it is. A basic out and about, out of the shop repair. Now like I said, if you want to start this small engine business, these are going to be, a lot of people want you to come to them. Now, however, you know, if I couldn't have done it, I could have dropped the generator down and took the generator with me, because some people, you know, that's their home, you know, but some people can just drop off their motorhome at your shop and let you fix it. But, you know, most of the time, you're going to have to go out there, and it's not a big deal. Like I said, I went out there 4 days ago, found out that the gear was broken on the starter, ordered a new starter, and then came out here today and made me 230 bucks. So, in the end, just don't be afraid to go out to somebody and do it, you know, and they love it. You know, you can go out there, and a lot of times people can't get their riding lawnmower in their trailer. It doesn't start, you know, or their big old Bobcat, or even their tiny little lawnmower. Most of the time they're old ladies, you know, and they just know how to start it and push it, you know, but they can't load what we can. Okay guys, thank you for staying with me. I'm going to show you the basic go bag you need. If you're going out to do a repair on site, or just an inspection on site, you know, you might not do the repair there, you might take it here, but I'm going to go put a starter on an Onan generator. You want to carry some penetrating lube, some starting fluid, some carburetor cleaner. You want your vice grips, regular and flat. You want a little hammer, a dead blow hammer, something bigger. Now this is just basic stuff. You can do most repairs with everything I'm showing you. You want your impact or your driver. Most of the time on-site repairs you're going to use this thing. You want your sockets, 8 through 16. You definitely want a 10mm wrench, an 8mm wrench, T25, a flathead, a pair of pliers, a crescent wrench, a pair of regular pliers, and an assortment of drill bits. Now, if you're an electrical guy, bring your multimeter so you can do your electrical test there. Now, if you can't do the repair with this stuff, you could, but at least you can get an idea of what you need to do. So you can ask, hey, we need to bring it back to the shop, or hey, we're going to have to do this. Now, I work on these Onan generators on these mobile homes, and they're a pain in the butt to drop. And most of the time they're still living in them, so I ordered the starter for them and said, hey, when it gets in, I'll go do the repair. That's where I'm going right now, bringing my go bag just so I have everything to do it. And that's all you guys need to do. So if you guys want to do this business, especially traveling, I would always carry some business cards. Bring your go bag. This is pretty much all you need for it. Okay guys, catch you on the next one. Subscribe, like this video, and oh, actually I'm going to throw in 2 more things. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Compression tester, spark plug tester. I'm not going to bring these personally because I already know what the problem is. You know, I know it's a starter. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, have a great one. Till next time.